Welcome back to e-learning online course on designing e-resources. Our next session is on Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint is used to explain a concept effectively using animations. In this video, you will learn how to prepare PowerPoint slides, how to add animations to these slides, and how to add a hyperlink. Now to create a new PowerPoint presentation, we will go to the drive where we have saved our folder class 10 science. So for that, click this PC, then D drive, class 10 science, then going to the folder PowerPoint presentation. Here we already prepared a PowerPoint presentation named chapter 1. So I am opening that. Click to add first slide. Now to add first slide, you have to click here. Now you see here the layout of the slide. Click to add title, click to add subtitle. Now it's always better to change the layout to blank. So we will change the layout from the home. Click home, click layout and select the blank layout for the slide. Because it is easy to add animations to blank theme of the slide, and also it has white background which is clearly visible. Now you can add new slides from here, new slide, again select the blank layout, or you can add new slides by right clicking in this open space, new slide. Now coming back to first slide. Here you cannot write directly as you write in MS Word. Here for writing you have to insert the text box. For that, go to Insert. Here is the option of text box. Click that and click it in the slide. You can always expand the text box. Now you can write here. I'll write welcome to demo. You can make it bolder by selecting B. You can change its color also. I'll be changing it to red color. I'll be increasing its font size from here. And also you can move it anywhere. I would like to place it at the top. You can reduce its size. Now I'll place it at the top. Now I would like to add an image here. You can copy image from the computer or you can copy it from the Google. So I have already searched an image in the Google. So I'll copy it and paste it here. You can drag it. You can keep it at the proper place. You can reduce its size also. And you can rotate it also. You can change its orientation also. Now second slide, I would like to paste second slide from another PowerPoint presentation that I have prepared. Now this is another PowerPoint presentation. I would like to copy this slide. I'll right click and copy it and open chapter 1 and paste it here. I'll put in between these two slides and right click and paste. So it's pasted now. You can also change the position of the slides. For that, what you do, you go to View, select Slide Sorter. You see all the slides here. You can drag and change the position of the slides. Like this. Now it has come at the first position, but I would like to have it at second, so I placed it here. So again moving to normal view. Now let's see how to add animations. On the top you can see options Home, Insert, Design, Animations. I'll click Animations. Under this heading you will find another tab, Custom Animation. On clicking Custom Animation, a dialog box opens on the right side here. I'll close this. I'll again show. On clicking Custom Animation, a dialog box opens in the right. So now you should remember which text should come first and which later. Normally heading should come first, so I'll be selecting the heading. Multiple selections can be made by pressing Shift. Now I'll add effect. There are many animation effects available. You can choose any one of them. I'm using fly in. So you can see the heading flew from the bottom, but I wish that it should fly from left, so I can change. Now you can see it is flying from left. Now let's add animations to these points also one by one. So you select first point, add effect. You can use any of these effects. I'm using blind here. Then select next point, add any kind of animation. I've added box type of animation. Next point. So this is how you can add animations to different points. You can change the speed of the animations also. Here it is fast. I can make it very fast. The last point to be selected and animation to be added. Any of these animations, I'll select appear. Now you can see here the sequence of animations is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is how the text will be displayed one after the other according to this sequence. Now if you find that the sequence has been wrongly done, then you can change the sequence also. For example, let us assume that 7th point has to be placed at number 2. So I'll just select 7th point in the right and I'll drag it and bring it to point 2. Now you see here adapting has been at point 2, otherwise it was at point 7. Again I'll bring it to its original position, just selecting and dragging it. Now let's see how this slide appears in the slideshow. For that, click slideshow here. Now you can press space bar, enter or any key to display the text one after the other. Now let's see how to add hyperlink to this slide. For that, go to Insert, go to Shapes, and here you find many shapes, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows. Go to bottom and you will find here action buttons. Action buttons, as the name suggests, when you press it, some action will happen. So I'll be using these action buttons to hyperlink this slide to some other source. But before that, we must know what is hyperlink. We can link the slide to other slides of the same PowerPoint presentation, or we can link the slide to outside source, like we can link it to other Word document or another PowerPoint presentation. We can even link the slide to the internet, to some website. So for that we can use action buttons for hyperlinking. This button is for audio. We can insert if we are to use audio. This is for inserting document. This is for inserting video. I'll use this I icon. I stands for information. I'll put it here. Now when I put here, immediately a dialog box opens. Click hyperlink to. Now it is asking you want to link it to next slide, previous slide, first slide, last slide, or you want it to link it to other PowerPoint presentation or other file present in your computer. But I would like to link it to URL. Now it is asking what is the URL address. I have already opened a page of UNESCO. I'll copy its URL, It can be copied from here. This is its URL. And I'll be inserting in my slide here. Paste. OK. Again, press OK. Now this URL has been pasted here. This hyperlink can also be given animation by adding effect. I'll be using spin. Now let's see how it works. Press slideshow. Now on pressing this eye icon, the web page will open. The UNESCO web page, we have given the URL in the hyperlink, so that page opened. Now after discussing this page, we can close it and we can go back to our slide. Now let us recollect what we have learnt. We have learnt how to open a PowerPoint presentation, how to create text boxes, how to paste image in a slide, how to insert so many slides, how to give animations to the text, then how to arrange the animations, then how to give a hyperlink.